Okay, so let's say you want to find integration for x squared using Simpson's rule, and the lower limit on definite integral is 0, upper limit is 2, the intervals allowed are 10. So you basically write Simpson, and then x squared, comma, variable name, and then lower limit first, and then upper limit, then 10. I'll give you the exact value, 8 divided by 3, instantly. And obviously Simpson is not a built-in function for TI Nspire. It's a custom function which I built, and you can install it in like 2 or 3 minutes. I will show you exactly how. Okay, so first thing to install it, what you have to do is open simpson.tns from GitHub repo. I have added the direct link for this. You just have to press download raw file, and it will download the method file onto your PC. And then also, if you have not installed the student software, you have to install it. If you have a Mac, click on the first link. I've also added this in the description. And then also, if you have Windows, press the third link. And that's it. If you have downloaded it, that's it. But then you have to go to the student software, look for documents toolbox, and then click on this content explorer. And then also you have to physically connect your TI Nspire with your PC using the USB cable you use for charging it, the same cable but with the computer. You attach it and then double click on this. It will show in connected handles. Double click on this and then double click on my lib, and just drag and drop Simpson wherever you have downloaded this file, GitHub file, and then drag it and place it in my lib, and that's it. That's all it takes to install it. Now, for using the function, there are two ways of using this on your calculator. First option is to run from file. Simply open browse and then click on my library. Look for the file that you downloaded, Simpson. Double click it, press on menu, check syntax and store, and click on run. And just like how we did it before, we just do replace the function variable, definite integral, lower limits, upper limits, and interval, and give you the value. So this is a very simple method, but then a much recommended method is instead to open a new document, add calculator, press menu, you have to refresh the libraries, and then create a library shortcut. This library shortcut will have the file name for your mylib file. So the name of the file was simply Simpson, and then I have a calling name, let's say S, and that's it. You just every time you have to access it, you just press S and a dot. It will show immediately, and then you do the exact same thing you did before. Square, comma x, comma 0, comma 2, and then 10 will give you the values. And why is this method much better? Is because you can have other functions similar to Simpson method, like Romberg's logarithm, bisection, formula secant method, and all these computational methods you can have in just one file. And you can also save it as let's say save as numerical methods, right. And that's it. That's the whole tutorial for this. And also I have other functions in GitHub repo which you can look at and then install it inside this document file, which you can use for your homework or exam preparation or anything you want. And that's it. Thank you.